Hi guys, in this video I'm going to share with you 3 of my favorite breakfasts. Each of them you can make only in 5 minutes. Let's begin. The first one is raw buckwheat with vanilla cream and blueberries. First you have to wash and soak green buckwheat overnight. Next morning you might notice that the buckwheat formed some kind of slime, but don't worry, just rinse it with cold water and drain properly. Transfer the buckwheat to the bowl. Add vanilla protein and some water. I use soy protein by the brand called My Protein. I really like the taste and consistency. Mix everything until it becomes creamy, and also feel free to add extra water if too dry. Add blueberries to a bowl. I buy them frozen and rinse them under lukewarm water to help the defrosting process. Sprinkle your buckwheat with shredded coconut. And mix it all if you like. Here it is, your super healthy breakfast with magical color is ready. The next breakfast idea is Amaranth flakes with raspberries and chocolate. Pour Amaranth flakes into the bowl and cover with boiling water. Put a plate on the top to keep the porridge warm. Time to prepare raspberries. I buy them frozen, so it's better to defrost them in advance. To speed up the defrosting process, I rinse the berries with lukewarm water. In 5 to 10 minutes, add protein powder to your porridge and mix properly. I use chocolate soy isolate by My Protein and really like the taste. Feel free to add extra water if too dry and mix again. Top with raspberries. Also, you can add chopped dark chocolate for extra taste and texture. Mix it all up if you like it mixed. Personally, I really love how the chocolate melts when you mix it. Here it is, another healthy breakfast is ready. The third breakfast we will make is oatmeal with honey, peanut butter, banana and cacao nibs. Pour oats into the bowl. Cover with boiling water and put a plate on top to keep the warmth. Slice the banana, or if you wish, you could use other fruits instead. In 5 to 10 minutes, remove the plate, add honey and mix it with your oatmeal when it's still warm, so the honey can melt. Add peanut butter and banana. Sprinkle your porridge with cacao nibs. And it's time to enjoy your healthy breakfast. If you like this video, make sure to give me thumbs up for creating it. And please, don't forget to be kind to yourself. See you in the next video.